It's been an absolute fantastic addition to our office. Our office was looking pretty sad. A lunch table would be great, as opposed to just chairs and a table without a top. So we collaborated with IKEA to create something above all our expectations, and I can't wait to show you. Hi, I'm Ben Kearney. I run a commercial architecture practice, Kearney Architecture, here in Brisbane. This is our new office space. Let me show you around. We've just bought it. We've got some amazing clients that we want to bring in here, and so it's really important that we put a more contemporary stamp onto the office. This is our lounge and reception space. We desperately need to sort of update it as a great front of house for us. On this wall here, we would like to see artwork with all our projects to show our portfolio to our clients when they come through the door. This area here is hopefully going to be our lunchroom. It looks a bit sad at the moment because we literally ran out of furniture when we moved in here. We'd love to see a bit of storage. A lunch table would be great, as opposed to just chairs and a table without a top. Well, this is currently a quasi-utility space. We would love to see it as an interiors area where we've got shelving and display cabinets where we can put all of our samples and interior boards that we use in the day-to-day practice. This is going to be our boardroom. We've got this amazing space with lots of potential. We're really looking forward to the makeover where we can put our own stamp on it and make it our own. We were researching IKEA because we were looking for furniture and office fit-out solutions that were convenient, but also having that ability of essentially a modular design to be able to move and reinvent the space was really important to us. So we had a consultation with Janet, an interior designer from IKEA.
We're going to have a look at your plans that we've done.
Yep. We worked through all the furniture options that we could possibly use.
The push open.
Good.
No handles.
Yeah. It'll go well with the green too, and how we can use those to achieve our pragmatic outcomes. We made a lot of big decisions for the space, and I was really excited to see that vision come to life. Welcome back. It's been an incredible change. I can't wait to show you around. This is our new improved lounge and reception space. We've got some fantastic new modern lounges, a lovely rug that softens the space, a sideboard where we've got our TV. This space has been fantastic because it's our first introduction to our clients and guests when they come into the office, and has really nice casual ambience. So this transition space here, we've managed to turn it into a really great collaboration space. The high workbenches are great. We can put a lot of people around it. And then we've also got our artwork wall where we're able to show off projects to our clients when they come through, and also with the staff celebrate the great work that they do in the office. This is our lunchroom. We've got all our secondary storage, which keeps all our equipment that we don't need out on show. We've got our artwork wall. The green gives a real pop of colour. We've got a great kids area as well with floor mats and bean bags. And the great part of this is obviously we've got the curtains that we can close off when the kids are running amok. This is our samples and interiors library. It's been an absolutely fantastic addition to our office. We've been able to bring our clients in here and talk through the different materials where they can pick them up and touch the materials and samples. This is our boardroom. It's still a work in progress. For our boardroom table, it's got the same textures and fabrics that we've got downstairs, so we get that really nice design continuity in what we're doing. We've put 3 units together, which has allowed us to give the length of table required. We do have some pretty large consultant and client meetings in here, so that also allows us to break the table up as we need to, depending on how we want to work the space. The impact of the new space was enormous. Our staff are loving it. We're getting great feedback from our clients. The variety of formal and informal spaces we bring them in is just really nice. I'd recommend other businesses collaborating with IKEA for Business. It's been a great process. Even as an architectural practice, it's taken a heavy burden off that design process of your own office and freed us up to get on with our job of delivering architecture to our clients.